name is Wendell Nelson. I'm a welder and shop manager at Arch Cabin LLC.
I'm Kristen.
Arch Cabins LLC, this is Kristen.
I am the office administrator at Arch Cabins. I work directly with our customers and behind the scenes to produce our product.
Bye-bye.
My name's Zach. I'm a logistics coordinator.
All right, goodbye.
My name is Jillian Cruey. I'm the executive manager of Arch Cabins LLC.
And that's our plan for the future.
My name is Jeremy Cruey.
Does that sound obtuse?
I'm the CEO and partner here at Arch Cabins LLC.
What I like most is just the people I work with, a big family-oriented company.
My favorite part is just knowing that I'm helping people.
My favorite part of what I do is being able to offer a stepping stone for people to make their lives better.
I really like that I get to help people see the steps between buying our product and having their brain problem.
My favorite part is our customers. Everybody's so unique and different, and everybody has a different dream and vision of what they're trying to build and the way that they're trying to build their lifestyle.